Hello fellow traders, welcome again to the FX View review. So today we are going to talk about the SogoTrade as a US stockbroker which was founded in 1986. The company is regulated by the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Although it's not listed on any stock exchange and does not have a banking background, SogoTrade is considered safe because it has a long track record and it is regulated by top-tier regulator. Clients are eligible for the SIPC Investor Protection Scheme, which offers up to $500,000. SogoTrade established itself as a low-cost brokerage for active traders who were willing to give up some bells and whistles for a better price. As with many smaller brokerages in this space, the shift to no fees has squeezed SogoTrade's niche, while SogoTrade still has some unique offerings in that it supports Chinese-speaking customers with the click of a button and enables cryptocurrency trading. SogoTrades offer 4 desktop platforms: Android and iOS mobile apps, and a mobile browser. So there is SogoTrader, Sogo Options, Sogo Online, and Sogo Elite platform. So you're gonna ask me who SogoTrade is for. SogoTrade is still marketed to active traders looking for cost saving, as this space has grown smaller due to industry-wide pricing changes. SogoTrade has made some efforts to broaden its appeal, while SogoTrade has said it is focusing on attracting young investors. The bulk of its recent development efforts appear to be in its partnership with KGE, a Taiwan-based online broker. The platform allows Chinese-speaking investors to click a button and translate the platforms into their preferred language. The focus on Chinese language support suggests SogoTrade has found a new niche and its non-frail active trader segment is being chewed into by larger and now cheaper rivals. So, between the pros of this broker, the customer service for those who call it is prompt. The options platform, Sogo Options, is tightly integrated with the options play tool set. Also, there is Chinese language support is available for customers who want it. Fully paid stock lending program can help generate additional income. And for the cons, SogoTrade still charges commissions for equity trades, and you cannot choose a tax law when closing a position. Switching from one web-based platform to another requires several clumsy steps, and there is no interest in paid on idle cash. So I'm gonna give you more explaining on this. Customers who call the support line have quick access to human assistance, both in English and Chinese. The options platform, Sogo Options, offers streaming codes, analysis, and risk management with fast execution, and has the option play tool built in. Also, customers can opt into SogoTrade's fully paid stock lending program, which pays interest on stocks that are borrowed from you by short sellers. This program can help generate additional income for your portfolio. So SogoTrade allows you to open and fund an account online. Unfortunately, once you get up and running, the process of finding and using the available tools is confusing at best. Certain features, such as streaming data, are on SogoTrader, while others are on Sogo Online. Searching for features on Sogo Online generates multiple tabs and requires a fair bit of clicking around to find what you are looking for. Overall, guys, it's difficult to recommend SogoTrade to the average investor or even active traders, now more than ever. Both these groups are spoiled for choice, and almost all of those choices come at an excellent price point with all features and more organized trading experience. That being said, guys, thank you for watching. See you on another review, and let me know what you think of this broker in the comment section.